Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neat facts to discover the world one click at a time. If you've ever seen a nature documentary, you would agree that nature is weird. In the animal kingdom, sex can get pretty wild. Human sex in itself already gets crazy and messy, but you'd be surprised how kinky sex can be even for the tiniest creatures. Just how wild can animal sex get? Watch on for the strangest sexual behavior in the animal kingdom. Male anglerfish fuse with females. When anglerfish mate, the male bites the larger female's bellies and attaches itself to them to share blood. Eventually, the male's fins will melt away. However, they are still able to produce sperm for many more years. Over time, the fishes will become one being that produces eggs. Male sharks don't have penises. Instead, they have an organ called a clasper that functions as a shark's penis when mating. These claspers are not individual organs, but are extensions of cartilage in their fins. Barnacles have penises. When barnacles are in calm waters, its penis will grow long and flexible. If it is in rougher waters, like the sea or river, they grow shorter and thicker. Most barnacles are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both male and female organs. Squids don't use their penises for sex. Instead, male squids propel capsules of sperm to the females using their tentacles. They throw the sperm into the female's mental cavity, somewhere around the mouth area. Once the female receives this, their eggs can be fertilized. The average lifespan of a squid is 2 years. Queen bees, ants, and wasps only mate once. For this species, the queen mates with multiple partners. The genitals of male honeybees explode after mating, while the tip remains inside the female to keep the sperm inside. Now that's an explosive orgasm. Male snakes have hemipenis, meaning they have 2 penises. However, they are only able to use one at a time. Each of the snake's hemipenis is associated with 1 testes. Female pandas only become sexually active for 2 to 3 days. For female pandas, the mating period occurs yearly, between February and May. Because of this limited time window, scientists suggest that artificial insemination could be an essential part of a species' survival. Flies attract bats while mating. When flies mate, the male flutters its wings. This comes out as a soft buzz to humans, while bats hear it like a bell-like noise. Cat penises have spines. Yep, you can see for yourself if you want to. Cat penises have barbs made of keratin to scrape out sperm from other mates. The spines also act as a genital lock during mating. Elephants can use their penis as a 5th leg. You may think you know BDE, but you've probably never seen an elephant's junk. Elephant penises can weigh as much as 30 kilograms, and are large enough to knock a man over. Muskrats mate underwater. Muskrat breeding season peaks from March through August. They typically have sex while partially submerged in the water. A dolphin was once discovered mating with a beheaded fish. Dolphins have one of the craziest sex drives of any aquatic animal, spending about 3 months in the wild seeking intercourse. Male dolphins in the Amazon River have also been observed penetrating each other's blowholes. The female hyena has a long clitoris that resembles a penis. The female hyena's clitoris is shaped and positioned like a penis, also capable of erection. Female hyenas don't have external vaginas. Once they give birth, their pseudopenis becomes torn and stretched. Male echidnas have 4 penises. When mating, the male echidna's genitalia divides into 2 groups. The heads on one side remain flaccid, while the other 2 remain active and release semen into the female's reproductive tract. Female snakes can reject unwanted sperm. Much like chickens, snakes can eject the sperm of undesired mates. Talk about purifying the gene pool. Praying mantis mating is deadly. If a female praying mantis feels hungry or upset, it can devour a male while mating. Though it doesn't always happen, agitated praying mantises have been observed tearing its mate's head off and devouring the male's corpse for nourishment. Whether you were amazed or disturbed by these weird mating rituals, you probably appreciate being a human a little more now. It only shows how unique our biodiversity is, no matter which level of the food chain. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more facts videos.